there, viewers. I'm in YouTube headquarters. They invited me to shake my, bow tie because I'm so awesome. I'd
Sam,
like to think
dinner's ready.
Sue, how many times do I have to tell you not to interrupt me when I'm with the fans? Did you get everything for my grand craft?
Yes, your royal slimeness.
Let's get started then! Today, I'll show you how to make a craft worthy of a YouTube award. We'll need cubes. Assistant?
Here they are.
Fancy tape.
Fancy tape.
And the main ingredient, magnificent super fidget spinner! Assistant.
Sam, I forgot to buy it.
Why am I not surprised? Fans are waiting. Think!
Oh, I have an idea that is just as good.
Oh,
We'll just need a few simple things. Your cubes and washi tape, and 7 of our pictures printed on very special sticker paper.
Sue, come on! You know that's my bad side. Take this one.
You're handsome from every angle.
That is so true. So, what will we do for the fans?
A super duper mega slimy photo cube! Guys, this craft is so easy, but you need to watch the video closely and repeat every move. First, I'll tape 2 cubes together. I'll need a small piece just like this, and stick it in the middle like that. Easy, right?
We interrupt the video for breaking news!
Oh,
We just got the information that there are 10 people who didn't subscribe and 5 who didn't give a thumbs up. That's better. Back to you, Susan.
thank you, Sam. I'll continue. I'll stack these cubes like this and hide the tape, and stick another tape piece right here. Now I'll make 3 more cube doubles just like this. Sam, a little help?
I really wish I could, but I don't want to.
Well, that's shocking. Now I'll put all 4 pieces together in this order. This one here, this one here, and the last will complete the structure. Now I'll flip the whole thing over. Careful not to lose anything.
Oh, wow! You really did it! Good job, Sue.
Let's get some tape on each pair of cubes. One here, one next to it, another goes down here, and the last one there in that corner. Hey guys, are you following along? Didn't miss a step? Then I'll keep going.
Keep going! Keep going! Oh, yeah!
All of the cubes are connected, so we can turn this flat rectangle into a cube. Ta-da! And now put a piece here, and another one here. Don't forget about the other side. And that's how it's done.
I also wanted to thank my friends for always believing in me. Not everyone believes in a talking slime. Thank you.
Our cube is actually ready, and I can already start playing with it. But we'll make it even cuter with our pictures.
Guys, just so you know, any craft will be much cuter with my pictures. Yep.
I already cropped the pictures so they match the size of the cube's edges. Let's get this protective layer off and stick it on the top carefully. Great. Now, let's cut it through with a knife so the cube can still move. Now guys, it's always better to ask an adult to help when working with sharp things like this. And done! Sam, look! It's an infinity cube! And so cool! Look, this is us in Oregon. This in San Francisco. Oh, do you remember that farm uptown?
Let me see. Huh, not bad. When I'm sad, I'll look at it and smile.
Aw, because it'll remind you of me?
No, because of me.
Yeah, you wish, Sue. Guys, who liked our infinity cube? Give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be up to date with the slime news. Bye-bye!